go, let me please go to a place that I don't know. Let me please go to a place that I don't know. Hello, welcome to this vlog video. In this video I'll still be cycling up north along the Atlantic coast. I'm going from Mimizan to Soulac-sur-Mer, mostly following the EuroVelo one. I was quite impressed by the things I found along the way. One of the most impressive things I saw on my whole journey up to now was definitely the Dune du Pilat. Let's just jump right into the video. Enjoy watching and I'll see you later. Cheerio! It's time to prepare dinner. I'm very hungry. Today, Kitchen Cheerio is going to cook some quinoa and bulgur, and I have a tomato, a carrot, some fish. I usually try to avoid eating animal products, but sometimes I just can't help it, and then I just go for it. There was a time when I tried to avoid everything that came from like animals, but I didn't feel that good, and for me I found the perfect balance. Let's just cook! Hello and good morning. I think it's gonna be like this for the next 200 kilometers. I like it, and it's flat and it's pretty, and right now I just feel that my body needs these flat paths, and I can make kilometers and I can get my body back on track. I think the next stop will be Dune du Pilat, which is a massive dune, a lot of sand, I guess. Let's just see. I don't have any breakfast, so I will cycle for 26 kilometers now, and there will be the next supermarket. Woo! The day is done. Right now I'm searching for a place to sleep. As the sun rises in the east, I'm always trying to find a spot where I'm always trying to find a spot so that the sunlight can shine on my tent right in the morning, and I think I found a good spot. I think somebody must have been here a couple of nights ago. This is not cool. There's toilet paper everywhere, and if you do bikepacking or if you like camping in the nature, then just pick up your rubbish, and if you have to go to toilet very quick, you can pick up your rubbish. Because I think when we do stuff like that, we are visitors in the nature, and we shouldn't just throw our stuff anywhere. I mean, it can happen that you forget something or you lose something, okay? But just to leave your camping spot like that is not cool. Good morning in the morning. I just woke up and I'm waiting for the sun to show up to dry my tent. And in the meantime, I'm cooking porridge because I woke up and I was quite hungry. Today I will make my way to the Dune du Pilat. It's a cloudy day, but I'm pretty sure the sun will show up soonish. Porridge in the making. And yeah, bon appetit. This is amazing. I don't know how this thing came here. I really don't know. It is beautiful. It's so damn beautiful. Holy shit. I didn't know something like that existed in Europe. Like, I really didn't know. It is actually quite scary to walk here. I like the EuroVelo and I like cycling this path, but these signs like stop in 25 meters and stop here are every 50 or 55 meters. I speed up to 25 kilometers an hour, and then after 50 meters I have to slow down and stop, and oh, there's another one. I don't want to complain because it's really flat here and the EuroVelo is really good. Like the road is as smooth as the TF28 on Tenerife. It's just annoying to stop all the time, but
it is what it is.
No speeding allowed on the EuroVelo 1. Right now I am trying to find a place to sleep. In the woods, and there's something going on in the sky. Look at this. I think there's going to be a thunderstorm and lightnings. I don't want to stay in the woods, so I'll try to find a place at the beach or something. Yep, hey ho, let's go. I'm not very sure right now because I know I shouldn't sleep underneath trees, but I don't know. I don't know where to go. And it's so windy. Suddenly it's so windy. Well, let's see. I don't know. I am here right now. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, I made it. I'm in my tent and I'm in the forest because I didn't reach the beach because the path was too sandy and I got stuck. Oh, there was a lightning. And I got stuck, so yeah. I'm in the forest and it just started raining. And I'm hungry. I might just eat something and then go to bed directly. So nighty night. See you tomorrow.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody.
Good morning. Oh. Yesterday this thunderstorm was a little scary, to be honest. I was a little scared because I know because I know it could be kind of dangerous to camp in a forest while there's a thunderstorm, but I didn't have any other choice, and so I just sat in my tent and I was like, oh, a lightning, oh, thunder. But yeah, I fell asleep pretty quick. What did I want to say? I don't remember. Yeah, so today is another day of making my way up to La Rochelle. Only 150 kilometers left. 2 days, maybe 3. It depends on the weather and if I want to have another beach afternoon or not. I'm gonna get ready. I wake up and pack my stuff.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
So it's 9:30 now and I just started cycling. I will cycle for 20 kilometers now, 25, and then I will have breakfast. Sometimes I eat right in the morning when I'm hungry, but I'm not hungry today, so I will eat later. I have a problem. It's not a real problem. It's just I stopped drinking coffee a couple of weeks ago and I just started drinking coffee again, but it's way too expensive to stop for a coffee each day. So yesterday when I did grocery shopping, I was like, okay, I'm gonna buy coffee powder. But then I was like, oh no, if I buy coffee powder, I know first thing in the morning I will have a coffee or 2 or 3. So I didn't buy coffee powder and now I'm craving for one coffee, and I was thinking of buying coffee powder, but I don't know if I can control myself. I haven't seen many people the last days and weeks. The roads always look like that. So I can just ride and ride and ride and ride. And it looks like that since, I don't know, 200 kilometers. It's the same day by day. Don't want to complain. It's going straight for so many kilometers, and I wish I could take a drone shot, but the battery is empty. Well, I cycled 60 or 65 kilometers and I'm so freaking hungry. Like, that tiny little breakfast was not enough and now I need food. But I think 5 more kilometers and I'll be at the beach, and so yeah, my belly has to wait a little bit. I met 2 cyclists in front of that supermarket and they shared their ice cream with me, which was super nice. So I've had 1 ice cream and I just went and bought some baguette and fromage and a Coke. Bon appetit! So that's it. Thanks for watching, and also a big thank you for all the lovely support and your supportive messages via Instagram, email, and also thank you very much to all my Ko-fi supporters. Thank you very much, Julie. Thanks to my monthly supporter, Tammy. Thank you, Torsten. And an incredibly huge thank you to Noah. What shall I say? You just saved my ass when I was having a very hard time. Thank you very much. Cheerio, goodbye, salut, and adios.